Very good afternoon to all my dear students. Today we'll be starting the new lesson, that is your lesson number 6, Ria's journey. This is a lovely lesson about the train journey. This lesson also will be doing in two parts. Part 1 I'll explain today, and then all the exercises related to that part 1 we'll be doing now, along with some of the hard words. This is journey about the Ria. In this lesson, Ria is a girl who is traveling by train. She is going to Vapi with her family, and how her journey is by train, from where she starts her journey, where she ends her journey in train, whom he meets, all that is described in this. And one more thing is there, that in this lesson she has a friend named Gia, who along with her they were going for a trip, but suddenly Gia falls ill and they are not able to accompany Ria. So she writes a diaries, clicks photographs and takes videos in her mobiles to show Gia. So this is a lovely, interesting story, and you also will come to know many things about the train services that we have in our country. How many different types of rails, what is the meaning of a junction, what are stations, what are junctions, that all will come to know. Also many things relating to the railways you will also come to know. So we'll start reading. All of you first write today's date, 7/10/2020, Wednesday, classwork part 1, chapter 6, Ria's journey. Ria and her friend Gia were excited. They were going for a trip on a train to Vapi. Now, where they were going? They were going to Vapi. Ria was going to her uncle's house, and Gia was going to Daman with her family for a holiday. Now, Ria was going to Vapi to her uncle's house, and Gia, her friend, she was going to Daman with her families for a holiday. They were going to spend some days and enjoy their holidays in Daman. So both the friends were excited because they both were going on a trip by train. As both the families decided to go together, Ria's father had booked train tickets for both the families before 15 days. Now, when you are going by a train or by a bus, you need to have a ticket. When you are going by bus, then also when you get into the bus or beforehand also, you get the tickets available so that you can get the seats. Similarly, while going by train also, you have to get your seats reserved before certain days. So Ria's father had already booked the ticket before 15 days. They had taken the ticket for both the families, for Ria's their family, and as well as Gia's family also before 15 days. Just 2 days before their journey, Gia fell ill. Doctor told her to take rest. Gia's family had to cancel their tickets. Both friends were very sad as they had made many plans for the trip. Due to Gia's cancellation, Ria felt very sad. Now, what happened? Just before 2 days, Gia fell ill. So, they had to cancel their tickets because doctor advised Gia to take rest. So, the family could not go for a trip to on a holiday to Daman, so they had to cancel the tickets. When you book the tickets, then that time before before the train leaves the station, before that you can cancel the tickets also. So before 2 days they had to cancel the tickets. By this reason, both Gia and Ria were very sad because they both were excited that together will go in a train and enjoy the train journey. But due to that, Ria was also very sad and Gia was also very sad because Gia fell ill. Gia said, I have an idea. She told Ria, don't be upset. You write everything about your trip in a diary and take photos and videos in your mobile. When you will come back, I will read your diary and will see the photos and the videos too. Now, what did Gia told Ria? That don't get upset or don't be upset or let your mood down because I'm not coming, you can do one thing, that you take a diary and write everything in your diary. Write whatever you see, whatever you enjoyed, everything you write in the diaries, and click some photographs and take some videos of the places that you visit in your mobile phone, so that when you come after your holidays, when you come back, I will read your diary and I will see the photographs and the videos too, so that I will also take a tour of that place wherever you have visited. I will also feel like that I have visited. So she gave an idea to Ria to do that. Ria went to her home. She found one notebook, a pen, and put it in her bag. So Ria was very happy with the idea that she can write everything in a diary. And as soon as she went home, she took a notebook and a pen and put it in her bag, so that she won't forget the notebook and pen to write everything, jot down everything what she was seeing and how she felt when they were going through the train, to write about her own feelings and the happiness that was inside her while traveling in the train. Now here, think and write is there. In which vehicles you have traveled? I have traveled in vehicles like bicycle, scooter, bus, car, train. You can, if you have gone by an aeroplane, then you can write plane, bullock cart, horse cart, everything you can write in all the vehicles that you have traveled. What would happen if Jia have traveled despite her illness? अगर जिया बीमार थी और फिर भी travel करती तो क्या होता? If Jia would have traveled despite of her illness, her condition would get worse, and everyone with her would be in trouble. Then everyone would be busy looking after her, to find a doctor, to find the medicine for her. Everyone would be busy in that rather than enjoying the holidays. So it was very well taken decision that not to go on a trip and stay back home and take the rest. This was on page number 41. Now we move on to page number 42. Now from here the journey starts, and from here only the diary starts. It is written 28th of May, Ria's diary. Now you can see everywhere the time is shown, everywhere the clock is shown, which shows at what time they did the work. Now this page explanation I'll be doing in the next video. Now Ria's diary, 28th May. Now what is the time given? 20:55 hours. Now this is your hours. This I have already explained in the maths, that in railways it is a 24-hour clock. So they write it as 20:55 hours, that is at night. 8 hours and 55 minutes at night. रात के 8:55 हुए थे. और रेलवे वाले कैसे टाइम यूज करते हैं? 24-hour times, which I explained you in the maths. You can see this is a railway station. A station where the train comes, that is called as the platform. जहाँ पर हम सब खड़े होते हैं और उसके पास में जो ट्रेन आती है, the area we are standing close to the train, that is called as the platform of the वो स्टेशन का वो प्लेटफॉर्म होता है. There are many platforms in one station. If it is a small station, there are 2 or 3 platforms. If it is a big station, there are 7, 8 or even 10 platforms are there in the metro cities, because continuously one or the other train is coming on some of the tracks. That is why there are many platforms are there in the big stations. So we'll start reading now. Today is a full moon day. After taking our dinner, we took an auto to reach Gandhidham railway station. After some time, the train arrived at the station. So from where they have started their journey? They have started their journey from Gandhidham station. So they are living in Gandhidham. So after finishing their dinner, they took an auto to reach the Gandhidham station, and after they arrived at the station, they reached the station, the train arrived after some time. We saw some passengers were sitting in the train. The train had departed at 7:50 p.m. from Bhuj main station to Kutch. The name of the train was the Kutch Express. Now they were boarding the train from the Gandhidham station, but actually the train had started from the Bhuj railway station at 7:50 p.m. and the name of the train was the Kutch Express. It is the name of the train. You all know that there are different names of the trains, to which destination the train is going, from where it is starting, and what is the destination point of that train. And there are certain numbers also, like up means going and down means coming back. When the train goes, that is called as the up train, and when the train comes, it is called as the down train. So that when the numbers are also there on the train. So the train, actually the train had to started from the Bhuj, and they had after Bhuj was the next station was the Gandhidham station, from where Ria and her family boarded the train at 8:55 p.m. at night. When we went near the coach, there was so much of commotion from the single door. Now you can see when the train arrives at the platform, there you can see many people that at that moment you can see a large number of crowd surrounding the bogies to get into the train. At the same time, there are many passengers who are already sitting in the train and they want to get down in the train. So there's a lot of movement near the door of the train. There was a single door. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside. Father felt someone pushing, so he said, train will stop here for 15 to 20 minutes, so don't be in a hurry. Now, there was so much of rush that Ria's father felt that somebody was pushing him, so he told them that the train is going to stop here for 15 to 20 minutes. The halt of the train is there, so no need of pushing and getting into that. Wait for some time, and after that we will board the train, because many people were trying to come out and many people were trying to get in from the same door. So there was lot of rush near the door. The people were pushing each other. So his father said that it is better that we will get into the train after some time, and all the people settle down, because the halt of the train was quite long. We somehow managed to get in and found our seat and kept our luggage at the proper place. Now, when the halt of the train is, it's not necessary that all the trains stop for 15 to 20 minutes. Some of the at some stations only the train stops for 2 to 3 minutes. Some at some places 5 minutes. But we are big stations like Ahmedabad, Baroda, Surat. So at certain places the train stops for more than 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So that because there are large number of people who want to get in and get out of the train. So at those places the train stops for more time, and at the smaller stations the train stops for takes a halt for less time. So after getting into the train, they found their seats, and in the train, when you travel in the train, you must have noticed, if you have traveled in the train, that there are seat numbers written on the train. On one long seat there are 3 seat numbers written, and on the ट्रेन में कैसे होता है, सामने सामने सीट्स होती हैं, तो जो सीट्स होती हैं वो एक सीट पे 3 नंबर होते हैं, उसके सामने के सीट पर भी 3 नंबर होते हैं. ऐसे 3-3 नंबर जो है सीट्स के लिखे हुए से सीट नंबर्स होते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू दो सीट नंबर्स ओनली यू हैव टू सिट ऑन योर seat. And when you get the ticket, and in your ticket also the seat numbers are mentioned, the name of the passengers, their age, and the seat number is mentioned in the ticket. So by the time the train started, most of the people had found their seats. Mother and I got the window seat. Father and Himaksh got the middle seats. There was another family with us. They seem to board the train from the previous station. So what was the previous station? From where was the train started? The train had started from the Bhuj. So there was another family who was sitting next to them, and they had boarded the train from the Bhuj station. So Ria and her mother got the window seat, and her father and her brother got the middle seats. Now the family with whom the other family that was there in the train with them was, they had the 2 children of our age. They got 2 upper seats and 2 lower seats. Now the family that was with them, they also had the 2 children of the age of Ria and Himaksh, and they got 2 upper and 2 lower seats. ऐसे 3 जो स्लीपर ट्रेन होते हैं उसमें 3 होते हैं, एक बीच नीचे होती है, फिर एक बीच में सीट होती है और एक ऊपर होती है. तो ऊपर जो बीच की सीट होती है वो रात को सोने के लिए के टाइम पर ही उसको यूज़ किया जाता है, अदरवाइज इट इज़ नॉट यूज्ड. सो द अदर फैमिली हैड 2 अपर सीट्स एंड 2 लोअर सीट्स. मूविंग ऑन टू पेज नंबर 43. After some time, ticket collector came and checked our tickets to see if we were on the proper seats. Now जब भी कोई बड़े से स्टेशन पे से जब ट्रेन में सब लोग चढ़ते हैं, तो जब ट्रेन स्टार्ट होती है उसके थोड़े टाइम बाद एक टिकट कलेक्टर आता है, जिसको हम टीसी बोलते हैं, शॉर्ट में उसको टीसी बोलते हैं. या यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ अ टीसी. ही वेयर्स अ ब्लैक कोट, अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ अ कैप एंड वाइट ट्राउजर, और द वाइट पैंट वो पहनता है, उसका दैट इज़ द ड्रेस ऑफ अ टिकट कलेक्टर. एंड he goes from bogie to bogie and checks the ticket of each and every person that they have got the proper ticket and they are sitting on the proper seats or not. If somebody is traveling without ticket, then he finds them also. तो वो उनको फाइन भी करता है अगर कोई बिना टिकट के ट्रैवल करता है तो थोड़ी देर बाद जैसे रिया और उसके फैमिली सब सेटल हुए, ट्रेन स्टार्ट हो गई, तो थोड़ी देर बाद वहाँ पर ट्रेन में टिकट कलेक्टर आया और उनके सबके टिकट्स चेक किए. Now here another small exercise is here. Why did Ria's father said that to get into the train quietly? That means Ria के father ने ऐसा क्यों बोला कि थोड़ी देर बाद ट्रेन में चढ़ना है. When the train arrived at the platform, there was so much of a rush of people pushing each other to get in or out of the train. The train was going to stop for 15 to 20 minutes, so he said so. That. Now second one. How will you recognize the ticket collector at the time of the journey? आप टिकट कलेक्टर को कैसे पहचान सकते हैं कि यही टिकट कलेक्टर है, जो पर्सन है जो आपकी टिकट कलेक्ट कर रहा है, चेक कर रहा है, दैट इज द टिकट कलेक्टर ओनली. अ टिकट चेकर wears a uniform, black coat, white trousers and a special type of cap. He checks the tickets of all the passengers in the train. So all the passengers from one bogie to, if there are 17-18 bogies in a train normally, तो जितने भी bogies होते हैं वो एक एक bogie में जाकर सबका टिकट चेक करते हैं and he sees that everything is all the passengers who are traveling have the proper tickets. Now we'll move on to the next one. What details ticket checker checked in the ticket? Ask your teacher. Now क्या क्या टिकट चेकर टिकट में क्या क्या डिटेल्स पूछता है, जैसे कि चेक करता है how many number of passengers are traveling, all the names of passengers, then the seat numbers and the date of the ticket at that date they are traveling, that is the date of the ticket that they are traveling, or the ticket was before that date. मतलब बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता है कि by mistake sometimes it happens that we don't see and जो है ट्रेन आगे पीछे के दिन की भी कभी कभी ऐसा बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है कि जाते हैं कि ट्रेन मिस हो जाती है. either they have come one day earlier to the station, then they find that the ticket is off next day. so टिकट चेकर जो होता है, कलेक्टर होता है, वो सब चेक करता है कि कितने लोगों का नाम इस एक टिकट में कितने लोग हैं, उतने ही इस टिकट के थ्रू ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं, उनके सीट नंबर्स प्रॉपर है, उनके एजेस, द एज रिटन इज प्रॉपर, एवरीथिंग ही चेक्स. Now, in the next video, I'll explain the later part. After 1 hour, the train stopped at one station. I saw from the window, Samikhyari Junction was written on the station. I asked my father. Now, what happened after 1 hour from the train started at nearly 9:15 and exactly after an hour, the train stopped at a station. So, Ria saw from the window what was the name of the station where the train had stopped. It was written as Samikhyari Station. So, Ria asked her father. Moving on to page number 44. Why is the junction was written after the station's name? Father explained to me that the station at which one or two railway tracks are separated is called a junction. Now it was written as Samakhyari Junction. So Ria was surprised that at many places it is written as station, at some places it is written as junction. So her father told that the junction is a place where two or more than two railways lines separate and they move in a different directions. When two railway lines or more than two railway lines take different tracks to different places from one place, that place is called as a junction. From the station, two railway tracks are separating. On the track on which our train is running is the way to Ahmedabad and the other goes to Palanpur. Now what his father told is that from this Samakhyari railway station junction, the two railway lines get separated. One goes to Palanpur and the other goes to the Ahmedabad. The train on which they were traveling and the track on which their train was running was going towards the Ahmedabad, and there was another track which was get diverted from this track only, which goes to the Palanpur. Palanpur is also a very nice place which is very close to, if you go to Ambaji you might go through Palanpur also, it also comes on the way. Train departed after 2 to 3 minutes only. So how long was the halt at Samakhiali station? It was just for 2 to 3 minutes only. Departed means train ने वहाँ से उस स्टेशन से चलना शुरू किया. The two tracks separated from one another. Father showed it to me from the window. Now after the train departed, after some time the two tracks got separated and father showed from the window. If you have traveled in the train, you sometimes know that the train changes the track, so it leaves the another track. From there the tracks get separated, so if they don't have to go on that route and this other track, so they move to the track on which that train has to run. So sometimes you can see the trains are changing the track. There's different type of noise when the sound comes when the train changes the track. So their train changed. The father showed her it from the window. Now you can see this lovely picture of the sky that you can see, and it was a full moon day. There was everywhere there was the moonlight spread in the sky. So it looks very beautiful if you watch it from the window while traveling in the train. It's a lovely scene to watch from the window train while the train is running. The train left the station. I was observing a view outside the window. It was looking like the white bedsheet spread across the open plain up to far away in a full moon light. So she was just watching outside the window that how it looks. It was looking like a white bedsheet spread upon the sky because it was a full moon day, and it was just she was very happy to see such a lovely scene from the window. So father said that it is a small desert of Kutch, and it is looking like a white bedsheet because of the white layer of the salt on it. Now, as you all know that they had started their journey from the Gandhidham station. Gandhidham comes in the Kutch district of Gujarat. You know, Kutch is is a separate district in the Gujarat, but it is quite different from what the culture what we have in the Gujarat. Their culture is quite different. So it's called as a little run of Kutch because Kutch जो है वो desert area है हमारे गुजरात का, और वहाँ पर it's called as a white desert. The reason is that because there's a lot of salt production takes place in there in the Kutch, and the sand of the Kutch gets white because of the presence of salt in the sand. तो रात को जब आप moonlight में देखेंगे तो आपको पूरा sand white लगता है. इट्स और बिकॉज ऑफ द सॉल्ट, और वो सॉल्ट जो होता है उस पर उसकी वजह से आपको वो पूरा वाइट दिखता है. इट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एट द फुल मून डे टू वॉच दैट वाइट सैंड. In this area, Agyaris are harvesting salt by making सॉल्टर्न्स. दैट मीन्स दे मेक मतलब कि छोटे छोटे जो होते हैं वो पानी के क्यारे बनाते हैं, और जो सॉल्ट वर्कर्स होते हैं उसको वो जो है क्यारे बनाते हैं, और धीमे धीमे जो धूप होती है बाय द हीट ऑफ द सन द वाटर गेट्स इवेपोरेटेड एंड द सॉल्ट रिमेन्स इन द पैन. दोज आर कॉल्ड एज अ सॉल्ट पैन्स एंड दे आर कॉल्ड एज अ सॉल्ट पैन वर्कर्स. और वो वर्कर्स जो होते हैं वो दे आर स्पेशलाइज्ड इन डूइंग दिस जॉब ओनली. सो ड्यूरिंग देयर इज अ सर्टेन सीजन व्हेन दे मेक द सॉल्ट. सो ड्यूरिंग दैट सीजन दे गो देयर, मेक द सॉल्ट पैन्स एंड लीव इट एज इट इज टू गेट द वाटर ड्राइड बाय द हीट ऑफ द सन. There we can also see very big heaps of salt also. जैसे जैसे वहाँ पर नमक बनता जाता है पानी सूख के, वैसे वैसे वहाँ पर जो है लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ बिग heaps और ढेर जो होता है, heaps मीन्स ढेर होते हैं सॉल्ट के, वहाँ पर हमको दिखाई देते हैं. So Ria saw the salt workers harvesting the salt from the sea water there. They are called as the Agaryas. Now the train were moving fast. Sometimes like a bridge was seen in a faint light of moon. There was a light of vehicle seen on it. While we were crossing the bridge, I asked my father, which is this bridge? This is Surajpari Bridge. He replied, it is also known as the entrance of the Kutch. Now, as the train moved on, they were crossing a bridge and she could see the faint light. मतलब कहीं कहीं से दूर दूर से थोड़ी थोड़ी लाइट आ रही थी, और फेंट लाइट ऑफ द मून कहीं ब्रिज के ऊपर कहीं कहीं जो है थोड़ी थोड़ी मूनलाइट आ रही थी, और कहीं पर जो थे व्हीकल्स के भी देयर वाज अ लाइट ऑफ व्हीकल सीन ऑन इट, और जो है कुछ कुछ व्हीकल्स के भी लाइट वहाँ पर दिखाई दे रहे थे। जब वो ब्रिज क्रॉस करी थी तो उसने उसके फादर से पूछा कि ये कौन सा ब्रिज है, तो हर फादर रिप्लाइड दैट इट इज सूरजबारी ब्रिज विच इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द एंट्रेंस ऑफ द कच्छ, मतलब कि ये कच्छ का जो है एंट्रेंस फ्रॉम द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द गुजरात, इट इज कॉल्ड एज द एंट्रेंस ऑफ द Kutch, which is a famous Surajbari bridge. You all might have heard about this bridge also, and you all must have visited Kutch also, so you might have seen that Surajbari bridge also. It is a very very famous. So that was the entrance of the Kutch. That bridge is the entrance of the Kutch. Now the remaining part we'll be doing in the next turn, the explanation part, but we'll do a little bit of work in the workbook now. Now in your workbook, this is your workbook. Looking around, open your workbook on page number 40, lesson number 6, write today's date in classwork, Ria's journey. Now this is your MCQs. Which tickets had Ria's father booked? Rail ticket, bus, aeroplane or movie? It was the rail tickets. What is the name of the main junction of the Kutch district? It is the Gandhidham. Surajbari, Bhuj or Samakhiali? It is Gandhidham. What was the name of the train in which Ria was going to travel? The name of the train was Kutch Express. Who is there in the train to check passengers' tickets? It is the ticket checker. What is a person who makes harvest of salt known as? They are called as salt makers or aghariyas. Which bridge is known as the entrance of the Kutch? It is the Surajbari bridge. Which game did Ria, Himaksh and Fiona play? After the train started off from Ahmedabad, they played snakes and ladders. So these MCQs you have to write in your workbook as well as in your notebook one time. So this is all for today till we meet on the next turn, and I hope you all are preparing for your exam also. So till then we meet on the next turn. It is bye bye and a happy evening.